So there's a number of measuring tools, as you can see. So if I select point to point, I can say, okay, what is that clearance? So as you can see, here we've got a 750 mil gap. So what we can do now is we can walk into this area, and obviously being in VR, we experience it. We understand how it feels, and you get a real sense of, this feels too tight to me as a user. It feels, not like a good working area. And what we can do is also use mannequins to represent this. So we've got static mannequins available here. We can drop a mannequin in at full scale, and you can position that mannequin in many different ways. And put them how to suit you, really, how to make your judgments. So we can get this guy leaning into the rack, and as you can see, he has his ergonomic sphere that enables us to see his reach, based obviously on the metrics for the 95th percentile man. So he leans in there, and we can see, okay, he can perform his job in this area, but this area is still too small. So what we can do is come back out and we can move these parts. All these parts have been added in as separate components from different systems, and what we can do is select, grab, and just move that.